Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making this delicious juicy coconut milk grilled chicken. So yes guys, I had in my previous video I had said I was going to share the recipe, so here's the recipe, and let us start by mixing my ingredients, starting with my chicken seasoning, and then we have a little bit of salt, curry powder, paprika powder, some chopped garlic, and also some chopped spring onions to it. And guys, I'm going to be adding some honey as well to give it an extra sweetness. It's just to add a little bit of sweetness to my grilled chicken anyways. So I am adding that to it, and I'm going to add some ketchup. Guys, I'm using some ketchup today, so I'm adding this ketchup to it, and after which I will add some Scotch bonnet pepper to give it an extra spicy taste. So I'm just going to introduce my coconut milk now into this whole ingredient, because this is the main reason for it anyway. So I'm going to add some sesame oil to it, one of my favorite ingredients in the kitchen. So I'm just going to stir this, mix it up, stir it, and ensure that all the spices are properly mixed and combined together. So I'm just going to stir this up and ensure everything is combined, and then we will get our chicken. And today we are using chicken thighs. Yes guys, we're using my chicken thighs. So I'm just going to add some incision on my chicken just to help in the marinade and also grilling as well. So I just added about 4 of it, and now let's start marinating. So I'm just going to add my mixed ingredients or mixed spices to the chicken on each side. Ensure that the spices spread around the whole chicken on each side. And once I'm done with one particular side, I will flip it to the second side and also add my ingredients to it. So now I'm just going to add my ingredients to it, and we'll get back to the video. I'm just going to keep this for 24 hours. You can keep for less depending on what your preference is in terms of timelines. But yes, I'm not ready to use it now, that's why. Guys, this is what my chicken looks like after 24 hours, and so now it's time to grill. I'm going to be grilling for 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So I'm just putting my chicken thighs into the oven, and I will spread some more marinade to it and let it grill for about 15 minutes before I add some more marinade. So guys, after 15 minutes I brought the chicken out again, and this is what it looks like. It's a little bit grilled but not completely grilled anyway. So I'm just going to spread some more marinade on my chicken, and then I will put it back in the oven and let it grill. Like I said, spreading some more marinade is something you have to do frequently, and just because I want that extra coconut taste on it and more of the taste from the marinade, that's why I'm doing that. So now I'm just going to put this back in the griller and let it grill. Just brought it out after about 20 minutes again, and I'm still going to add some more marinade to my chicken thighs. Guys, so like I said, I wanted it to be really juicy, and I wanted to feel the coconut taste in the chicken, so that's why. So I'm just going to put it back and let it grill now. guys, look how juicy and grilled our chicken looks now. So you can serve this with rice and whatever you want to serve it with, or just eat it alone. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.